Hi, I'm Steven Yatomi-Clarke, CEO of Prescient Therapeutics, and I'd like to talk to you today about the company and our role in developing new precision medicines for a range of different cancers. Precision medicines is a way of targeting specific switches that drive tumour growth. And what we are doing is developing targeted therapies specific for those mutations and switch off those drivers of cancer growth. And this is a new and emerging field in cancer medicine and is developing a lot of excitement as we're seeing this approach develop some really interesting and encouraging responses for cancer patients. It's no surprise that the encouraging results from this precision medicine approach has transformed a lot of US companies, and Prescient is following a very similar development path of developing our precision medicines for those specific tumour types. We're conducting a number of clinical trials in a range of different cancers using our two unique drugs, PTX100 and PTX200. We have one of the deepest pipelines on the ASX of any biotech company, which means a number of shots on goal, which means a lot of news flow for a company of our size. Earlier this year, we announced one of our most significant clinical milestones to date, which was from our Phase 1b breast cancer study using PTX200. Typically in this disease setting, you would normally expect a 25% response rate. And with this early efficacy signal, we saw a 50% response rate. So it's no surprise that that has generated a lot of excitement amongst clinicians and companies and has positioned us well for success going forward. This same drug is in two other clinical trials, one in ovarian cancer and another in acute myeloid leukemia. All of these trials are running concurrently. Our second drug, PTX100, is also generating a lot of interest as it's potentially first in class in RHO and RAS pathway mutations. So for a small company, we've got a team that belies our size. We've got a talented group of people who are very experienced and collectively have taken drugs from bench to bedside, as they say, from discovery stage all the way through the clinical development process and regulatory process, and earning real dollars as we're sitting here today. So our two targeted therapies, PTX100 and PTX200, come from blue chip institutes. One's licensed from Yale University, the other from the Moffitt Cancer Center, University of South Florida. So a good test of any technology is how many peer-reviewed publications underpin the science. And in the case of our technologies, we have over 70 peer-reviewed publications on our specific technologies. So investors can rest assured that this is not fly-by-night science and that these technologies are very well understood and independently and vigorously reviewed.